She is good at playing the piano. He is good at solving complex math problems. They're good at communicating with others. I'm good at cooking Italian dishes. She's good at managing her time efficiently. He's good at making people laugh. They're good at playing basketball. I'm good at organizing events. She's good at painting landscapes. He's good at writing poetry. They're good at coding computer programs. I'm good at public speaking. She's good at playing chess. He's good at designing websites. They're good at analyzing data. I'm good at playing the guitar. She's good at problem solving. He's good at teaching others new skills. She's good at photography. They're good at coming up with creative ideas. I'm good at multitasking. She's good at playing tennis. He's good at singing jazz music. They're good at negotiating deals. She's good at playing video games. He's good at analyzing financial reports. I'm good at writing fiction. She's good at playing the violin. They're good at marketing products.